Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this quick and important tutorial, I'll show you how to report abuse or inappropriate behavior on IMVU step by step. First of all, open up the IMVU app or desktop client and log into your account. Once you're logged in, find the user you want to report. You can do this by clicking on their name from your friend list, chat, or recent room activity. Just find the person you want to report. After finding the person that you want to report, open up their profile, and this will open up their profile info, from where you'll need to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And in the pop-up at the bottom, you will see two different options. One is block and another is report profile. To report the person, tap on report profile, and then on the next page, you'll need to select some appropriate reason for reporting the person. Tap on the reason for reporting button and choose any reason that matches the situation. After you do that, click on done and finally click on report in red. After you do that, IMVU's safety team will review your report as soon as possible, and reporting helps make the community better for everyone in IMVU as well, so that's how it's easily done. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more safety and support tips for online apps like IMVU. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.